How to fix T-Mobile cannot create account. To fix a T-Mobile account creation error, simply switch from the T-Mobile application to the web browser. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice on your desktop or your mobile device. Then head to the official T-Mobile website. From here, you simply have to now tap on these three horizontal lines and then proceed to create an account from the web browser. And also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, and also turn off any VPN services if you have turned it on. And also try clearing the browser cache or your application's cache. In case you are on browser, you simply have to tap on this lock icon right next to the website address and tap on this cookies and site data option. Tap on this trash can icon to remove all the corrupted files or corrupted data within the website. Reload the website and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.